Once again, welcome children. Today I am going to explain Time Goes On chapter from page number 102. So look here, you have a calendar of 2006 year and what you have to do, you have to go through this calendar. आपको ये calendar देखना है और you have to give the answers of these questions. So on page number 103 you can see some fill in the blanks. Let us look at the calendar for the year 2006. So your first question is, how many months does a year have? So it's very simple. You all know in 1 year we have 12 months. Okay. Next question, list the months which have 30 days. So you all know the months which have 30 days. Ab, June, Nosi. This technique you have already learned. So answer will be April, June, November and September. Next is list the months which have 31 days. So January, March, May, July, August, October and December have 31 days. Okay. Next is how many days does the month of February have? So you all know in February there are 28 days, and when there is leap year there will be 29 days in February. Okay. Now moving to the next question, how many days makes a week? So you all know 1 week has 7 days. Moving to the next question, how many weeks are there in July? So children, you have to look at the calendar and you can see here there are 4 weeks in the month of July. So is it true for all the months? Yes, it is true for all the months. All the months have 4 weeks. Moving to the next question, in which month did you come to class 3rd? So current year is 2020 and in April month you came to class 3rd. Okay. In which month did you come to class 3rd? So in April month you came to class 3rd and April is your answer. Now moving to the next question, make a circle on these dates in the calendar. So first is 26 January. Children, you can see here calendar, and in this calendar you can see I have marked this circle on 26 January. 26 January को हमने circular form में mark किया है. It is not a circle but I have marked here 26 January. Okay, next is your 14th November and after that we have 31st December. So here you have already marked here. Okay. Now moving to the next question, is there something special about these dates? So you all know 26 January is Republic Day, 14th November is your Children Day, 31st December is the last day of the year. Okay. Now moving to the next question, here we have fill in the blanks with the correct answer. So which year was it 2 years back? Because this book is old book, so here the years are written, but current year is your 2020, so we will write for 2020 only. So which year was it 2 years back? So 2 years back it was 2018. Okay, don't confuse with these years. Okay, because we are writing here the answers with respect to current year. Okay, हम लोग जो answers लिख रहे हैं वो current year से लिख रहे हैं. In which year were you in class 2nd? So last year you were in class 2nd, so answer will be 2019. Which year will be the next year? So you all know this year is 2020, next year it will be 2021. Which year will come after 3 years? So you have to add 3 to 2020. So after 3 years it will be 2023. Okay. Moving to the next question, given below are some festivals we celebrate during the year. Look at the calendar 2006 to find the days on which these fall. So children, you have to look at the calendar of 2006 year. So Diwali, October 21, you have to tell the date. So here you can see on October 21, you can see here October 21, it's Saturday. So we will write here Saturday. Okay. Now here you can see I have written Saturday. So in the same way you have to write all these days. Okay. Moving to the next question, arrange the festivals in the order in which they come in the year. So look here children, here festivals are given and here you can see the date. So you have to arrange it according to ascending order, means the date that come first you have to write first, and then the second date you have to write second. Now here you can see Pongal, on which date it is coming, January 14th. So January month comes first, so we will write here Pongal. Next is Guru Ravidas birthday. So here you can see which month will come next. So आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे कौन सा मंथ नेक्स्ट आएगा. आफ्टर जनवरी वी विल बी हैविंग फेब्रवरी. सो फेब्रवरी यू कैन सी हियर गुरु रविदास बर्थडे, वी विल राइट हियर. After February, which month will come? March month will come. So here you can see March month is not present. So after March we will be having April month. तो आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे April 11 है और April 14 है. So which one will come first? So April 11 will come first. So we will write Milad ul Nabi here. After that Bihu we will write. So in this way you have to complete this table. So which festival comes in the beginning of the year? So this Pongal festival comes first in the beginning of the year. Which festival comes at the end of the year? So here you can see Christmas Day is written. So answer will be Christmas Day. Moving to the next page. So here is the calendar for the month of February 2007. Let us mark a square on the calendar and see some magic. So here we are going to do some magic. So which is the number in the center of the square? So you can see 13 is the number which is at the center of the square. Join three numbers by drawing a line. So here you have seen, you can see we have joined these numbers by drawing a line. So two lines you can see in your book. आप अपनी book में दो line देख सकते हो. And these two dotted line I have drawn. Okay. Now your question is how many such lines can you draw? So answer will be 4 lines. You can draw such 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Add the 3 numbers on each of these lines. आपको क्या करना है? आपको ये add करना है. 5 plus 13 plus 21. What you will get? You will get 39. Again add 7 plus 13 plus 19. You will get again 39. Again add 19 plus 13 plus 7. You will get again 39. So next 12 plus 13 plus 14. You will get 39. So this is a magic. All of you have to try it. Now look at the calendar of 2006. Also look for the present month and draw any similar square in your notebook. So current year is 2020. So you have to take 1 month and you have to draw this same pattern, and you have to check whether you are getting the same answer or not. Moving to the next page. So here your question is more magics we are having here. So children, look here. This is the March 2007 month. And here you can see this is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Look at the Thursday column. Here you can see this 15th is the middle number. Okay, in this column 15th is the middle number. So when you will multiply 15 with 5, you will get 75. And when you will add all these numbers of Thursday column, you will get again 75. So this is a magic. I can add 5 numbers in the box in a moment. Oh, that will take some time. The total is 75. So you can see simply what you have done here. You have multiplied 5 with this 5 to this 15 and you are getting 75. Same like that you will do in the Fridays column also. Friday column में भी आप जो middle का number है 16 में जब आप multiply करेंगे 5 तो you will get 80. And when you will add all these number of Fridays column, so you will get 80 as the answer. Same like that you will do for Saturday also. When you will multiply 5 to 17, you will get 85 as the answer. And when you will add all these, you will be getting again 85 as the answer. So moving to the next page. So see if this magic works for other lines which have 5 numbers. What about 5 numbers on a slanting line? Try this trick with your family and friends. So you have to try this magic at your home. So here we have one more calendar for the month of August 2006. So first question is color all the Sundays in red. So here you can see we have colored all the Sundays in red. So you have to color this box, okay? And next question is on which day does this month end? So you can see here this day is last day is your Thursday. So here I have written Thursday as the answer. Next question, write the number of days in this month. So you can see here number of days in this month is 31. So here we will write 31. What day is it on 13th August? So look here, on 13th August we have what date? We have Sunday on 13th August. Okay, so here what we will write? We will write Sunday. Next is what is the date on the second Saturday? So second, this one is your first Saturday, this one is your first Saturday, and this one is your second Saturday. So the date on second Saturday is 12/8/2006 because it is your August month, so we have written 8th. You can write here August also, no problem. Next question, is the 21st a Sunday? So here you can see 2021. 21 day is Monday, so here no, 21st is a Monday. Next question, what is the day on 29th? So children, look here. This one is 29, and what is the day here? Look at Tuesday column and this 29. So on 29th the day is Tuesday, and what will be the date on the same day next week? So on the same day next week, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So here we will be having 5/9/2006 date. Okay, moving to the next question. How many Thursdays are there in this month? So you have to count number of Thursdays. 1 2 3, this is Thursday column. 1 2 3 4 5. So there are 5 Thursdays in this month. So with this we come to an end, and I hope these topics are clear to you. Thank you. Have a nice